Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Edit Drop. My name is Srikanth. In this channel you will find cool editing tutorials that will help you learn new skills in editing. Today I am going to teach you how to make this video to something that look like this. It is probably a lot easier than you might think, because it is only a matter of one single effect in Premiere Pro. You can also use this same technique in other videos as well, as you can see here in the examples. And you can also add the effects multiple times to create this drippy effect. But keep in mind it won't work on every clip. It works best on clips that are shoot on a tripod and also has a straight horizon. Anyway, let's jump onto Premiere and I will show you how to do it. Select the video, then right-click and select New Sequence from Clip. This will create a new sequence according to the imported video settings. Then trim the video according to your wish. Now go to the Effect panel and search Mirror. Press right-click the mirror effect and drag into the video sequence. Then go to the Effect Control panel and set the reflection angle to 45 degrees. Then play around with the reflection center. Just find the right spot for the reflection to start. And the effect is done. Then, if you want to bend the picture up instead of down, then you need to use another angle. In this case, minus 45 degrees. And also set the reflection center, and you are done. Another option will be to add the effect twice, as you can see here. So for this example I have added the effect 2 times. Now inside the Effects Control panel, I will set the reflection angle for the first effect to 45 degrees. And for the second one to minus 225 degrees. Finally, we also have to change the reflection center for both of them. And after that it will look something like this. And that's it for the short Premiere Pro tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like the video, that really helps a lot. And share with your friends. If you have any feedback or ideas for my new video, please leave a comment. But as always, thanks for watching and I hope you will have a wonderful day.